In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device for your prototype in Figma. This is an essential skill for any designer looking to create realistic and functional prototypes, and it only takes a few minutes to master. Let's get started by first going to Figma, the go-to tool for collaborative interface design. If you haven't already, you can access it directly by opening your browser and navigating to figma.com. As you land on the Figma homepage, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the Login button at the top right of the page and enter your account information to proceed. In case you don't have an account yet, you can easily register for free. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your home page where you can see any recent files and shared projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will become your central hub for all things design related within Figma. Now, to start adding your device, click on the Design tab situated in your dashboard. This is where you'll create new artboards or open existing ones that you've been working on. Within the design workspace, you'll want to select the Frame tool. You'll find it in the toolbar at the top, represented by an icon resembling a hollow rectangle. Clicking on this tool allows you to draw a new frame on your canvas. Frames in Figma act as containers for your design elements, making it easier to structure and organize your layouts. After creating a frame or selecting an existing one, we'll switch to the Prototype tab. This is where you can start bringing your design to life by adding interactive elements. Within the Prototype tab, you'll see an option to choose from preset devices. This feature is invaluable because it allows you to quickly simulate and visualize how your design will appear on different screen sizes, such as mobile phones, tablets, or desktops. Simply select a device that matches your design's intended display environment, and Figma will adjust the frame to fit the proportions of that device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added a device to your prototype in Figma. This function is crucial for ensuring your design looks and behaves as expected across various devices. Remember, the more you practice incorporating these steps into your design routine, the more fluent you'll become in optimizing your prototypes for any digital platform. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident in using Figma's prototyping features. Don't forget to explore other tools and capabilities within Figma that can further enhance your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.